Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English2Flow, where we learn English in a simple and fun way.
Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well and ready for another interesting conversation.
So, James, can you tell our listeners what we are going to talk about today?
Yes, Emma. Today, we are going to talk about something very common and important, our home and our family.
Yes, because we all live in a home and we all have family, so this topic is very useful.
And also very easy to talk about, even if you are a beginner.
Exactly. So let's start our conversation in a simple and fun way. Talking about home. So, James, tell me, who do you live with?
I live with my family, and sometimes it feels like a full-time job
Why do you say that?
because there is always some noise, some work, or someone calling my name.
That sounds like a normal family life.
Yes, peaceful silence is very rare in my house.
Same here. I live with my parents and my brother, and my house is always full of activity.
Who makes the most noise in your house?
My brother, without any doubt. He talks a lot and laughs loudly.
That sounds fun, or maybe a little annoying.
Both. Sometimes fun, sometimes very annoying.
In my house, I think I am the most silent person.
Really? I don't believe that.
Okay, maybe not silent, but less noisy.
That sounds more true. Talking about family members. Tell me about your family, James.
Okay, I have my parents and one younger sister in my family.
That's nice. Are you close to your sister?
Yes, we are close, but we also fight sometimes like all siblings.
That is very normal.
What about you? Tell me about your family.
I have my parents and one older brother.
Older brother means boss at home, right?
Yes, he thinks he is the boss, but I don't listen to him.
Brave decision.
Thank you, but sometimes I regret it.
I can understand that.
Dilly life at home. Who cooks food in your house?
My mother cooks most of the time, and the food is always delicious.
That is great. In my house, my mother cooks, but sometimes I also try to help.
Try to help or actually help?
I try, but sometimes I just eat and say, very tasty. That is not helping, that is enjoying.
Yes, I am good at enjoying food.
Same here. Eating is my favorite activity. Do you help in housework?
Yes, I help with cleaning and small tasks, but not every day.
Honest answer. I like that. What about you?
I help sometimes, but my family says I disappear when work starts.
Classic behavior.
I think I have special talent to disappear at the right time.
That is not a talent, that is smart escape. Free time at home. What do you usually do at home in your free time?
I like watching movies or listening to music when I am free.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel calm after a busy day.
I like reading books or sometimes just using my phone.
Phone is everyone's best friend now.
Yes, sometimes too much friendship.
True, we spend more time with phone than with people.
That is a little sad, but also true. Do you watch TV with your family?
Yes, sometimes we watch shows together and laugh a lot.
That is nice. Family time is important.
Yes, it creates good memories.
Funny family moments. Do funny things happen in your house?
Yes, almost every day. My brother makes silly jokes all the time.
That sounds fun. Sometimes I laugh, sometimes I just ignore him.
Poor brother.
What about your house?
In my house, my father tells old stories again and again.
Again and again?
Yes, we already know the story, but we still listen.
That is cute.
Yes, and we act like it's a new story every time.
That is real family love. So today we talked about home and family in a simple way.
Yes, and these are very useful sentences for daily life.
You can use these sentences to talk about your own family.
Just keep it simple and speak slowly.
And don't worry about mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
And learned something new with English2Flow.
Now it's your turn.
Tell us about your family in the comments.
Who do you live with?
What do you do at home?
We would love to read your answers.
Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.